Hey everybody, it's Lawson here, and I'm at a car show somewhere, I don't know, my parents know. And there's a bunch of nice cars. I'm going to show you like the Fast and Furious looking ones. It's nice. And this thing has a big freaking spoiler on it. This one does too. Nice scoop looking thing. It's like two of the same cars. It's two same cars, but this one has a spoiler on it. And this car is fast, I know that. I have it in a game and it's pretty freaking fast. Then we have this Roadrunner. So it's really nice. It's like my favorite one here. It's so nice. I love it. It's rims though. Gonna start walking around now. Got this Challenger RT. Really freaking nice Hemi. Waiting so patiently. Give you a view of some cars.